Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk about something that's changing the way people handle social media forever. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by creating content, editing videos, replying to messages, or managing multiple platforms all at once, then you're going to love this. It's called AI Cora, an AI-powered social media automation platform that does all the heavy lifting for you. Instead of spending hours brainstorming ideas or scheduling posts, AI Cora creates, plans, and manages your social media presence automatically. You can literally tell it what you want, like make 5 Instagram posts promoting my new product, and within seconds, it generates complete posts with captions, visuals, and hashtags ready to publish. No design skills, no copywriting experience, no stress. What's amazing is that AI Cora can act like your own personal social media assistant. You can name it, chat with it through WhatsApp, Telegram, or Discord, and it works around the clock, creating content, replying to comments, and even managing DMs to help you close sales. It learns your brand's tone, voice, and style, so every post feels personal and professional. For agencies or freelancers, AI Cora makes it easy to manage multiple clients from a single dashboard. You can track performance, organize content calendars, and schedule across platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and more, all from one place. It even suggests trending topics and creates posts based on the latest news in your niche. If you're tired of juggling apps and losing hours to repetitive work, AI Cora gives you your time back. It's like having a full social media team that never sleeps. Try it out, see what it can do, and watch how effortless growing your brand online can be. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.